sure.
Or maybe they're evacuating us?
Oh, don't say that, Amber. We don't have anything packed.
I'm just saying.
And I don't look good.
I don't know, if they were evacuating, I don't think they'd just be at that one
Right. Amber, why
house.
don't you take my regular camera here? Or switch with me. Which do you want to do? Or hand it to me. Okay. People are going to another house with umbrellas. Cop just got back in his car and Amber just blinded him. So now we'll probably be arrested for interfering. Okay.
Hey, cop car.
There they are.
You didn't tell me you had the flash on. Oh, you could see the rain too.
Okay.
And leaving.
And they have left. Hopefully everyone is safe. Okay, turning off the power again so we can save it. Bye.
Alright then.